Today, we're going to tell you about two of our most personal products, the ones that are with you everywhere that you go, and how we're going to take them even further.
Apple Watch Series 4. Everything about it has been redesigned and re-engineered. It all starts with a stunning new display. We've pushed the screens right to the edges, and we've curved the corners to perfectly match the shape of the watch. And we've also designed a brand new watch face. The speaker has also been completely redesigned. It's 50% louder. Well, now, Apple Watch Series 4 can detect a fall. Series 4 delivers an alert. And from that alert, you can initiate an emergency call. However, if the watch senses you are mobile for 1 minute, it will start the call automatically. Apple Watch can now screen your heart rhythm in the background, and it sends you a notification if it detects an irregular rhythm that appears to be atrial fibrillation. We've added electrodes into the back sapphire crystal and the digital crown, allowing you to take an electrocardiogram. And this is the first ECG product offered over the counter directly to consumers. I'm also pleased to say we've received clearance from the FDA. Series 4 will be available in 3 aluminum finishes: silver, gold, and space gray. Apple Watch Series 4 with GPS starts at $399. Series 4 with cellular starts at $499. And we're keeping Series 3 in the line at more affordable prices, starting at just $279. You can order Series 4 starting Friday, and it will be available the following Friday, September 21st. Series 3 at the new prices is available right after the show. And watchOS 5, the most advanced wearable operating system, will be available on September 17th.
iPhone X has changed the industry. Today, we're going to take iPhone X to the next level. I'm excited to show you what is by far the most advanced iPhone we have ever created.
iPhone XS comes in 3 finishes: gold, silver, and space gray. 5.8 inches on the diagonal. It's 2.7 million pixels, 458 pixels per inch, the highest quality display on an iOS device. Well, the iPhone XS is not just one, but 2 sizes of display. The 5.8 inch and a new 6.5 inch Super Retina display. 3.3 million pixels, 458 pixels per inch again. Now, a lot of our customers have loved the plus-size iPhones, so let's put that side by side. You can see it's about the same size phone with a much larger display. We think there are a lot of customers who are going to love this larger display. So what do you call a phone that's bigger than plus size? Well, we call it the iPhone XS Max. And now you can have up to 512 gigabytes of internal storage if you want. It is a remarkable new dual camera system. It has a 12 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and an even more improved True Tone flash. After taking the picture, adjust the depth of field from f1.4 to f16. And the background is changing with it. This has not been possible in photography of any kind of camera. This is something that iPhone can now do with the power of the A12 Bionic chip. iPhone XS Max has the biggest battery we've ever put into an iPhone, and it can get you up to an hour and a half longer in your day. Gigabit class LTE. They have more bands than any other smartphone, so they have the best worldwide roaming. Dual SIM capability. And we've been working with many great carrier partners, and they're going to be rolling out eSIM support throughout the fall and many more into next year. The iPhone XR. And we hope it reaches even more customers with this amazing, incredible technology. White, black, blue, coral, yellow, each beautifully designed with that aluminum finish, the glass in the back. It's an LCD display that for the first time goes edge to edge, 6.1 inches on the diagonal. Now let's bring, well, first it's 1.4 million pixels, and it's 326 pixels per inch, so true Retina image quality. Now, same true to the camera system in iPhone XS and XS Max. It's a single camera system, our best single camera system that we've ever made. It's a 12 megapixel wide-angle camera, the exact same wide-angle camera in the XS and XS Max. It's a portrait mode photo with that beautiful background blur, taken from a single camera system. iPhone XR gives you up to an hour and a half more in your day than the iPhone 8 Plus. Sizes: 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, and 256 gigabytes of storage. And it will start at $749. October 19th, and it'll start to ship a week later than that, October 26th. iPhone XS will come in 3 configurations, 64 gigs, 256 gigs, and that new 512 gigabyte storage capacity. It starts at $999. An iPhone XS Max, same 3 configurations with its larger screen, larger battery, be just $100 more, starting at $1099. September 14th, and it'll ship a week later, September 21st. We now have iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR, 3 new models of iPhone.
We've got an update to the HomePod, our breakthrough home speaker. We recently added stereo pairs in AirPlay 2. So now when you add a second HomePod to create a stereo pair, it creates this incredible wide immersive soundstage. And with AirPlay 2, HomePod becomes the best multi-room audio experience. We've got some other great features that we're bringing to HomePod. You'll be able to search for your favorite songs by lyrics, create multiple timers, make and receive phone calls right from your HomePod, and just like your Apple Watch, you can ping your iPhone or any of your Apple devices to help find them around your house. Also, we'll be shipping a new update to tvOS with support for Dolby Atmos for Apple TV 4K. There are now well over 100 video partners available through the TV app. Both the HomePod and the tvOS updates will be available on Monday, September 17th. And then the following week, we've got a great new update for the Mac with macOS Mojave. All new dark mode and updates to desktop and Finder, enhanced privacy and security, and a completely redesigned Mac App Store. macOS Mojave will be available on September 24th. I'd like to thank everyone for joining us this morning, including those watching us online. And I'd especially like to thank all the people at Apple